Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. x³ plus x square equals to 1 upon 8. We need to find the value of x here. So how to find this x value? First of all, you can see the left hand side is the x³ plus x square, right hand side is 1 upon 8. So this 8 goes to left hand side. So it will be multiply both the terms, and here the only right hand side 1 is remaining. Now 8 multiplied by x³ and 8 multiplied by x square equals to 1. After that, we know that we will write this 8 in terms of 2. So first of all, 8 is the 2 cube x square, and here can we write this 2, 8 cube is the 8, we will write into 2 into 4 x square. Different way we will write the 8. In first term we'll write 8 2 cube, and in second term we'll write 2 into 4. After that, you can see this is cube, and 2 cube and x cube both are the cube. So can we write by the law of exponent 2x whole cube plus 2 into this 4. We'll write this 4 is the 2 square into x square, and right hand side 1 is remaining as it is. Okay, then 2 is as it is, and this 2 square and x square will write this 2x whole square, and this 2x whole cube is as it is. Now you can see this 2x whole cube plus 2 into 2x whole square equals to 1. Let 2x equals to t. Let we assume the another variable 2x equals to t. So it will be t cube plus 2 into this is 2x is t and power is the square, so it is 2t square equals to 1. After that, you can see this is the cubic equation. So first of all, we will split this 2t square. Can we write this 2t square in t square plus t square, and this plus 1 goes to left hand side. So here is the right hand side is 0, and you can see it is t cube, and t cube plus t square, can we take out the t square common? So inside is t plus 1, and here you can see this is the identity t square minus 1. Can we write this t square minus 1 square? We will write the 1 is the 1 square. So it will be the identity t plus 1 and t minus 1, like a square minus b square identity. This identity says a plus b and a minus b. So same t plus 1 and t minus 1 will use the identity. After that, in this expression, this is the first term, this is your second term. In first term and second term, this t plus 1 is the common. So inside is t square and remaining is t minus 1 in the second term equal to 0. Okay. After that, you can see this is the t. There are two factors. One is the linear equal to 0, t plus 1 equals to 0, and the another is the quadratic t square plus t minus 1 equals to 0. So here you can see the value of t is, if you equate the 0, so t equals to plus 1 goes to that side, it is minus 1. So first value of t is minus 1, and remember your t is 2x. So you can see this t, put the value instead of t, we will write 2x equals to 1 minus 1. So x value is minus 1 by 2. This is our first value. This is the answer. And the second answer, the second answer is t square plus, first of all I'll write the quadratic equation, this quadratic equation, t square plus t minus 1. Okay. Now you can see t square plus t minus 1. This is the quadratic equation. How to find this quadratic equation factors? By the quadratic formula. So this is your middle term t. So t equals to, first we'll compare by the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And everybody knows in a quadratic formula, the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Sorry, 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this is our formula of the quadratic formula. So apply this formula here. So you can see this t is your x square. This t is also x square plus This is x square, this is x and c. So compare by this equation and using this formula. So minus b. What is here minus b? B means t coefficient is b. So b is 1, a is 1 and c is minus 1. So minus b means coefficient of t is minus 1 plus minus under root of b square. B square is the 1 square minus 4a. A means t square coefficient 1. C means minus 1 upon 2a. A means 1. So it is minus 1 plus minus under root of b square. It means 1 square. B square, 1 square is 1 square. It will be 1. And minus 4 is c, minus minus plus 4 upon 2 1 ja 2. So equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 is the 5 by 2. So this is the t value. Now you can see there are two values of t. First is the positive. Take the positive sign. Positive sign minus 1 plus under root of 5 plus 2. And for the negative sign, the t value is 1 minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2. So this is about the t value, but we need to find the value of x. One value we already get, x equals to minus 1 by 2. Another value, you can see the t is the 2x. We will assume here 2x equals to t. So minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Okay. Now you can see this 2 goes to down in denominator. So it will be a 4. And here you can see 2x equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. So x equals to minus 1 minus root 5. This 2 goes to down. 2 to the 4. So these are the three values of x. First value is x equals to minus 1 by 2. Second value this. And third value of this. I hope you have understood this question. And if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.